Welcome to all of you. Today is 8th September 2020. 8th September was declared International Literacy Day by UNESCO on 26 October 1966 at 14th session of UNESCO's General Conference. It was celebrated for the first time in 1967. Its aim is to highlight the importance of literacy to individuals, communities and societies. Celebrations take place in several countries. Celebrations of International Literacy Day have included specific themes in line with the Education for All goals and other United Nations programs such as the United Nations Literary Decade. The celebrations theme for 2007 and 8 was literacy and health. For 2009 and 10 it was literacy and empowerment. Then in 2011-12 was literacy and peace. Now for 2020 the theme is literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. And this theme is especially on the role of educators and changing pedagogies. The theme highlights literacy learning in lifelong learning perspective and therefore mainly focuses on youth and adults. The recent COVID-19 crisis has been a stark reminder of the existing gap between policy discourse and reality, a gap that already existed in the pre-COVID-19 era and negatively affects the learning of youth and adults who have no or low literacy skills and therefore tend to face multiple disadvantages. During COVID-19, in many countries, adult literacy programs were absent in the initial education response plans. So, most adult literacy programs that did exist were suspended, with just a few courses continuing virtually through TV and radio or in an open air spaces. What is the impact of COVID-19 crisis on youth and adult literacy educators and teaching and learning? What are the lessons learned? How can we effectively position youth and the adult literacy learning in global and national responses and in strategies for the recovery and resilience building space? By exploring these questions, International Literacy Day 2020 provides an opportunity to reflect on and discuss how innovative and effective pedagogies and teaching methodologies can be used in youth and adult literacy programs to face the pandemic and beyond. The day will also give an opportunity to analyze the role of educators as well as formulate effective policies, systems, governance, and measures that can support educators and learning. So that's all about International Literacy Day. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If it is liked by you, then please subscribe the channel, share the video, and do comments. Thanks a lot once again.